Hey guys, it's Krishanti with Krishanti.com, here with weekly videos on psychic development and spiritual and personal growth. And today's video is about energy healing, which is so exciting. And I do like to tie it in with the psychic stuff because as we can all learn to be psychic, we can all learn to do energy healings that have a profound effect on the physical body and plants and the world at large all around us. Now, one of my favorite energy healing methods is Bengston. I have a whole playlist about Bengston. If you want to check it out, I can link to it below too. But I love it because Bill Bengston actually does research in the lab in like really prestigious laboratory settings, in controlled experiments. And this research demonstrates the efficacy of the healing modality. So in a nutshell, the most famous experiments are about mice with cancer. And Bill documents it, treating them with Bengston, and documents the recovery. The mice do recover and get healed from cancer. I just think that's so cool. But what I've learned in my work in Bengston, which I've been a part of for about 5 years now, maybe more, I'm a part of the Bengston community. And what's so cool is I really have seen that, like they say, it takes a village to raise a child. It takes a village to help someone come back from the brink, to have like a full remission and a complete healing of a condition. And that is something encouraging, because what I've seen in this whole village kind of idea is it's the ultimate expression of the beauty that humanity can produce, like when we all come together and we support one another. It's the ultimate expression of divine love, of complete, like just heart opening. I'm here to support you. We're here to support each other. We want to see you heal. All of that. It's so, so cool. But in that too, it's like, it feels to me, and this is my approach, that there are so many factors that come into play to help produce a healing. And many people who are really, really sick and want to get fixed do a combination of Western medicine, Eastern medicine, holistic stuff, energy work, like light therapy. It's like all of this, and then bring in the support of family and friends and therapists and healers and all of that jazz, like everything else. That's the village that it takes to help the person, complete their recovery. It's so encouraging, and everybody who plays a part has something to do with that healing. So the other thing that I love about Bengston, which by the way, I'm co-hosting a Bengston Energy Healing Workshop in late April 2023 with my friend John Levac, who is a profound energy practitioner. He's like nothing else. He's incredible. Bill's teaching the workshop with his wife, Margaret. They're so much fun. It's such a supportive and beautiful environment. I'll put the link below, so check that out if you're interested. April 2023. It's going to be fun. It's actually 2 full weekends. Well, 1.5, Saturday, Sunday, and then all day next Saturday for the practice day. But it'd be fun for you to come if you want to check it out. But now I forgot what I was going to say before that. It's just wonderful, back to that, because here's what the point. The thing that I love is it takes away that egocentric feeling of like, I'm the one that did this, like it's because of me that this person got healed. It's like, well, no, it was the 40, 50 people in the Bengston practice groups that worked on you every week. It's your Western practitioner. It's the nurse at your doctor's office who always had that radiant, beautiful smile and such positive energy. It's your spouse. It's your supportive children. It's like all of these things come together. And that really speaks to the ultimate expression of how powerful we are. Bengston is a cool form of manifesting. It's image cycling. So you create these images of things you want, like a vision board, and then you spin them in your head and you manifest stuff. But it's not like manifesting stuff. it's like healing, like, you know, it's creating healing. Like I see myself in a body that's free of pain, that I have, that's filled with energy, you know, and then that comes to pass. And it's like that sort of thing. It's more about, it helps with more of the transformational process and the work, like the path and the way. But what a wonderful way to see how powerful we are when we all come together. That's the key. Like, that's the brilliance. Like, I've had these clairvoyant healings with like 10 different clairvoyants working on me all at once, and there's nothing like it. Like with Bengston, there's nothing like having 20 practitioners, like in the practice group that I run every week, 20 practitioners all supporting each other and supporting the person that needs healing on a regular basis. It's again, just, it's the brotherhood and sisterhood. That's what, it's like the divine expression of who we are and what we can do when we work together and when we support each other in this healing space. When we use these really cool abilities, they're like superpowers. It's really fun. And then you do it with a group, it amplifies that and creates this just profound change. But I really want to know on this topic, have you or someone you know had a healing? And what were the factors that came into play? Like, what can you attribute to the healing? Is there one thing over the others? Is it a combination of everything? Like, what helped with that? So fun to read your stories and hear what's going on with you and what you believe in too. So I'd love for you to put that in the comments below if you like. And don't forget to check out the links for this workshop. It's going to be a really fun couple of weekends. So that's at krishanti.com. And on that note, I want to just thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.